First at noon, President Biden set to take executive action to protect access to abortion. Thanks for joining us. I'm Bridget Ellison.
And I'm Justin Warmoth. The president has faced mounting pressure from fellow Democrats after the Supreme Court overturned the Roe v. Wade decision 2 weeks ago. CBS's Steve Dorsey has more from the White House.
A day after most abortions in the state of Mississippi became illegal and the clinic at the center of the recent Supreme Court ruling is shutting down, President Biden is taking his first concrete steps to protect access to abortion.
The president has been very clear. He's going to do everything that he can, that he has the legal authority to do from here from the executive side.
In an executive action, the president is directing Health and Human Services to protect access to abortion medication and to ensure emergency medical care for pregnant women and those experiencing pregnancy loss. The order also directs agencies to educate medical providers and insurers about how and when they are required to share privileged patient information with authorities, information abortion rights advocates fear could be used to prosecute women who have the procedure. And the president is asking the Federal Trade Commission to take steps to protect the privacy of those seeking reproductive care online. The president has stressed there's only so much he can do to protect abortion rights without Congress. He says ultimately it's up to the legislative branch to take action and codify Roe v. Wade into federal law.
We have to continue to use our political capital, if you will, to fight as hard as we can and to make sure we do the work that we need to have pro-choice congressional members in Congress.
Since the court's ruling, at least 10 states have enacted a near total ban on abortion. Within months, the procedure could be illegal or severely restricted in almost half the states. Steve Dorsey, CBS News, the White House.